These are the elevators at the brand new JW Marriott in Tampa, Florida. These only go up to 6, so let's go there. Wow, just listen to that. So this elevator, no. Yeah, this elevator does not go any further up. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. It does not serve 5. And these are Mitsubishi, by the way. Oh, we're stopping. No, we're at 1. We're gonna go back up to 6. Also, you got a keypad, so if you were to enter 6. Couldn't really get a good view of it on my camera, but Hope just hit 66 by accident, and it says access denied, as expected. But let's try, now my camera's out of focus. Here we are at 6. Now let's end it down at 1. So just to test out, if you hit star, it takes you to 1. If you were to hit 5, what would it do? It would say access denied. Oh yeah, there's your certificate down there. So yeah, these are pretty cool elevators.